So you booked a cruise. Now what? Before you set sail, there are a few things that you should do. It's John with Cruise Fever here, and today we're going to give you 10 things you should do before every cruise. Number 1. Check in online. Don't wait too late on this one. Most cruise lines will allow you to check in online up to 24 to 72 hours before your cruise. Getting those boarding documents ahead of time will save you time at the port. And by the way, some cruise lines let you check in all from your phone nowadays. Number 2, double check your documents. Most countries will not allow you to enter if your passport expires within 6 months, and it can take 4 to 6 weeks to get a new passport. So you need to prepare well in advance for this one. Also, see if there are any visa requirements for the ports of call you will be visiting. Some people even like to make copies of their passport to have on hand, just in case. Number 3, study your ship. Going over your ship's deck plans and understanding the general layout will do 2 things. 1, it will help you navigate the ship better upon first arrival, and 2, it will help you know everything that the ship has to offer. Nothing like getting to day 5 on the cruise ship before you find out there was a free dry sauna available the whole time. Number 4, plan those excursions. Too many people wait until they're on the ship to do this one. But some excursions will sell out well before this, so find out what excursions are available so you can budget both time and money for them. You might be at some of those ports only once in your life, so make it count. Number 5, plan ahead for any transfers. Whether you book your airport transfer through the ship or on your own, have a game plan for how you're going to get from point A to point B, and make sure any extra costs are in your vacation budget as well. Number 6 is a big one. Know what you don't need to bring. Too many first-time cruisers will bring way too much stuff. Know what the cruise line already offers. Things like hair dryers, towels, soap, shampoo, etc. Keep it simple. Go light on the packing, heavy on the planning. And remember, you can do laundry on the ship. Number 7, notify your bank and credit card companies. You don't want to have to deal with the hassle of your debit or credit card being locked out while you're trying to use it on foreign soil. When you notify your financial institution, you should also ask about any travel perks they may offer, like medical insurance or no foreign transaction fees. Number 8, know about data roaming. If you don't turn off data roaming on your cell phone, you might find a major bill when you get home from your cruise. The ship's cell towers are not cheap to use. So check with your phone provider to see what kind of options they offer for roaming off-network. Most of the time, we recommend people just put their phones in airplane mode while out at sea. Number 9, buy travel insurance. More than anything, this just gives you peace of mind, especially if you're really splurging on your cruise and if you only go on a cruise on a very rare occasion. You can find many reasonable rates online through third parties. Just make sure you check what exactly is covered. We'll put a link in the description so you could get more advice on travel insurance for your cruise. And number 10, save those small bills. Having 1s and 5s is always a good idea. You can use these bills for tipping the porter, your room service attendant, and even taxi drivers at ports where US currency is accepted. So save yourself that awkward moment from trying to get change for your $50 bill by saving some small bills well ahead of your cruise. So let us know, what do you do before every cruise? Any tips or advice to share? We'd love to hear from you in our never-ending quest to expose cruise fever to the masses. Thanks a lot.